morning everyone. Welcome to today's class. Okay, children, let's continue the previous topic. Let's continue the previous topic, proper and common noun. Proper and common noun. Okay, what is meant by proper noun? Proper noun means particular name of a person, place, animal or things. Particular name of a person. അല്ലേ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു വ്യക്തികളുടെ പേര് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സ്ഥലത്തിന്റെ പേര് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക ആനിമൽസിന്റെയോ ബേർഡ്സിന്റെയോ ഓക്കെ അങ്ങനെയുള്ളതിനെയാണ് എന്താ പറയുക പ്രോപ്പർ നൗൺ. ആൻഡ് കോമൺ നൗൺ മീൻസ് ജനറൽ നെയിംസ്. കോമൺ നൗൺ മീൻസ് ജനറൽ നെയിംസ്. കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് ലൈക്ക് ബോയ്, ഗേൾ, country, tiger, etc. etc. All these are common nouns. Okay, let's continue the topic. Page number 22. Page number 22. All of you open. Match the common nouns with the proper nouns. We have to match it. Here two columns are given. Common noun in the first column. Common nouns, which are the book, river, saw, chocolate, television, train, newspaper and dog. These are the common nouns. And second column, proper nouns, which are the Sony, the Rajdhani Express, the Hindu, Scooby, the Arabian Nights, the Yamuna, Sindor and Cadbury's. These are the proper nouns given here. Okay, so we have to match it. നിങ്ങൾ നമ്പർ ഇട്ടാലും മതി, ലൈൻ വരച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ നമ്പർ ഇട്ടാലും മതി. ഓക്കെ, സി ലെറ്റ്സ് ഡു ബുക്ക്. The common noun is given here, book. We have to choose the correct proper noun from the second column. What is the correct answer? Book. Any book here, the name of book is here, see? Yes, the Arabian Nights. The Arabian Nights, the name of a book. The Arabian Nights, the first one. Okay, book. And second one is river. Any river's name here? Yeah, the Yamuna. The Yamuna. Next is soap. Edingle soap in the very yes, Sindor. It's the name of a soap, no? Yes. It's a brand name. Okay, Sindor. And next chocolate. 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 Yeah, Cadbury's. Cadbury's. Next, television, Sony, train, yes, the Rajdhani Express, newspaper, newspaper, the Hindu. The Hindu is the name of a newspaper. And dog, Scooby. It's very simple. Like that, you write two proper nouns for each of the common nouns given. Begin with a capital letter, and remember that a proper noun always begins with capital letter. Eppolum proper noun eppolum first letter capital letter aayirikkanam. Okay, any festival's name, yeah, any person's name, place's name, yeah, any book's name or river's name. All these are proper nouns. All these are proper nouns, and remember that all proper nouns begin with capital letter. Ella proper nouns in the first letter endayirikkanam capital letter aayirikkanam. Okay, when you write your name, the first letter should be capital. When you write the name of a place, the first letter should be capital. Any book's name like the Bible, the Quran, the Hindu, we have to write the first letter should be capital. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ബുക്കിന്റെ പേരോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ പേരുകൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്ഥലത്തിന്റെ പേര് ഇതൊക്കെ ഇടുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കണം. ബിക്കോസ് ഓൾ ദീസ് ആർ പ്രോപ്പർ നൗൺസ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് യു ഹാവ് ടു റൈറ്റ് ടു റിവേഴ്സ് നെയിം. This is homework for you. Two rivers name. ഏതെങ്കിലും റിവേഴ്സിന്റെ പേര്. And next books. Name of books. And name of festivals. ആഘോഷങ്ങൾ അല്ലേ? Festivals. Then next continents. And next cars. Name of cars. കാറുകളുടെ പേര്. ഇതൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് homework ആയിട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. And see the next one. Write the following using capital letters where necessary. എവിടെയൊക്കെയാണ് capital letters use ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? A sentence always begins with capital letter. എല്ലാ സെന്റൻസിന്റെയും ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കണം. All sentence the first letter should be capital. എല്ലാ സെന്റൻസിന്റെയും ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കണം. And all proper nouns should be capital. First letter should be capital. എല്ലാ പ്രോപ്പർ നൗണും എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ലെറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കണം. See the sentence. On Sunday, Varun went to see a magic show by Mr. Lal. On Sunday, Varun went to see a magic show by Mr. Lal. Well, we have to use the capital letter in this sentence. Yes, the first letter should be capital. A sentence begins with capital letter, no? So the first letter should be capital. So we have to write first on. O should be capital. Yes, on Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday should be capital because it's the name of a day. It's the name of a day. On Sunday. Next, yes, Varun. V capital because that's the name of a person. Varun, V should be capital. Varun then went to see a magic show. Went to see a magic show. Magic show. Went to see a magic show by Mr. Lal. By Mr. Lal. Okay, M should be capital. M should be capital. See, on the first letter should be capital because it begins with capital letter. Sentence begins with a capital letter. And second here, Sunday because it's the name of a day. And Varun is the name of a person. And see, then last one, then Mr. Lal. It's also a name of a person, Mr. Lal. Like this you have to write. Okay, second one also. See the second one. Rita, Jennifer and Bobby went on a camping trip near Lake Eden. They took their dog Bozo with them. ഇവരെല്ലാവരും കൂടി എവിടേക്ക് പോയിന്നാ പറയുന്നേ? ക്യാമ്പിംഗ് ട്രിപ്പ് നിയർ ലേക്ക് ഏഡൻ. ഏഡൻ തടാകത്തിലേക്ക് അല്ലേ? They took their dog Bozo with them. അവരവരുടെ ഡോഗിനെയും കൂട്ടിയിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? ഡോഗിന്റെ പേരാണ് Bozo. Okay, so how to write the correct punctuation mark? See, second one where we have to write the capital letters here. Then first letter, no, first Rita, yes. R-I-T-A, Rita. R should be capital because it's the name of a person. Next, Jennifer. Okay, Jennifer. Jennifer. J should be capital. And next, and Bobby. And Bobby. And Bobby. B should be capital. It's also a name of a person. And Bobby went on a camping trip. Camping trip near Lake Eden. Near Lake Eden. E-D-E-N. Okay, Eden is the name of a lake. Lake Eden. They took their full stop. Here we have to put full stop because the sentence is complete. Then next sentence starting. They, T should be capital. They took their dog. They took their dog. It's the name of a dog. Name of the dog is here Bozo. Bozo. B-O-Z-O. Bozo should be capital. Bozo with them. Bozo with them. Okay, and the next one. During vacation, Mr. Jatin and his family visited Singapore and Malaysia. So we have to write the first letter during. D should be capital. During vacation, Mr. Jatin. Right. Okay, I will write you here. See, during vacation, D should be capital. During D. first letter. During vacation. During vacation, Mr. Jatin and his family visited Singapore. Singapore is the name of a place. So we have to write the first letter should be capital. Singapore and Malaysia. Okay, like this you have to write. Okay, it's very simple. Last one also, Mrs. Laila is our class teacher. She teaches us English, geography and maths. Mrs. and M should be capital. Laila, it's the name of the teacher. So L capital, and is our class teacher. She teaches. Next sentence begins in so she, S should be capital. She teaches us English, geography and maths. All these are subjects, name of subjects. So we have to write the first letter should be capital. So English, E capital letter, geography, G capital, and maths, M capital. Okay, do you understand? So it is very simple. Page number 22 and 23. These two pages are homework for you. All of you try to do. Okay, and any doubt, can call me. Okay, and all of you try to do the homework. Okay, I will give you the answer key after that. Okay, so that's today's topic. Let's wind up. Okay, see you next class. Till then, bye.